Orgasm is the sudden discharge of accumulated sexual excitement during the sexual response cycle, resulting in rhythmic muscular contractions in the pelvic region characterized by sexual pleasure. Experienced by males and females, orgasms are controlled by the involuntary or autonomic nervous system. They are often associated with other involuntary actions, including muscular spasms in multiple areas of the body, a general euphoric sensation and, frequently, body movements and vocalizations. The period after orgasm, known as the refractory period, is often a relaxing experience, attributed to the release of the neurohormones oxytocin and prolactin as well as endorphins or endogenous morphine. Human orgasms usually result from physical sexual stimulation of the penis in males, typically accompanying ejaculation, and the clitoris in females. Sexual stimulation can be by self-practice, masturbation, or with a sex partner, penetrative sex, non-penetrative sex, or other sexual activity. The health effects surrounding the human orgasm are diverse. There are many physiological responses during sexual activity, including a relaxed state created by prolactin, as well as changes in the central nervous system such as a temporary decrease in the metabolic activity of large parts of the cerebral cortex, while there is no change or increased metabolic activity in the limbic, that is, bordering areas of the brain. There is also a wide range of sexual dysfunctions, such as anorgasmia. These effects impact cultural views of orgasm, such as the beliefs that orgasm and the frequency/consistency of it are important or irrelevant for satisfaction in a sexual relationship, and theories about the biological and evolutionary functions of orgasm. Orgasm in non-human animals has been studied significantly less than orgasm in humans, but research on the subject is ongoing. Orgasms can be achieved by a variety of activities, including vaginal, anal or oral sex, non-penetrative sex or masturbation. Orgasm may also be achieved by the use of a sex toy, such as a sensual vibrator or an erotic electrostimulation. It can additionally be achieved by stimulation of the nipples, uterus, or other erogenous zones, though this is rarer. In addition to physical stimulation, orgasm can be achieved from psychological arousal alone, such as during dreaming, nocturnal emission for males or females, or by orgasm control. Orgasm by psychological stimulation alone was first reported among people who had spinal cord injury. Although sexual function and sexuality after spinal cord injury is very often impacted, this injury does not deprive one of sexual feelings such as sexual arousal and erotic desires.